In this video, we are going to discuss driving tips or what types of precaution you should take while driving these days. Because outside temperature is very cold and it's usually snow. Hello, and welcome back to Key2DL channel for another interesting video. It is going to be very useful for those who are taking their driving test nowadays. Okay, let's get back to the topic without any further delay then. So coming to the tip number one. And the tip number one is about shoes. This is very important because it has a great impact on your final driving road test. In the final driving road test, do not wear snow boots or winter shoes. Winter shoes are big and heavy, and you won't be able to feel the same while braking and accelerating. Just avoid wearing them in the final driving test. Use the same pair of shoes which are comfortable and that you owe for your general driving practice. Don't wear the snow boots. Coming to the tip number two. So make a weather health report. Check your weather health report. This is the second point. You must check the weather health report. You can check the weather forecast not for the whole day but for the hour when you are taking your driving test. What is the weather look like during that particular hour? There is a lot of information you need to know, such as lights, and that of course affect the visibility. If there will be snow, how much snow will be there, what percentage of snow, is there rain or not. If it is -7 or -8 degrees centigrade and the snow, then snow will be more slippery. If it is 1 or 2 degrees centigrade and there is snow, then snow will be muddy. So be prepared for that. If you know all this information beforehand, it will be easy for you make your nervousness less and help you in terms of a better planning. Okay, the tip number two is now over. Coming to the tip number three, try to mimic driving practice in a similar weather. So have a practice driving test at similar condition if possible. It is not always easy to get the exactly same conditions because you don't find the place or you don't find the driving test because of the exactly the similar condition. But if you know there will be snow for example, next week and the temperature will be approximately -10 degree whole week, do a practice driving test at least once to get a feel for how much you have to brake, how much extra effort you need to accelerate, etc. So this kind of information is really important. You need to, this will make your confidence up. Okay, let's come to the tip number four then. This is one of the tip. You should know the temperature control of your steering or temperature control of your seat in the driving seat. So if you know the temperature, because this is in these days the temperature is very cold and the steering is very cold, so it is not comfortable to use the steering. So if you don't know, ask your examiner to show it up and you increase the little bit temperature or make it comfortable for yourself. Just get little bit relaxed and it will definitely help your brain to think better or planning better. Tip number five, don't rush, don't go slow, and do not get panic. So don't rush, don't go slow, and do not get panic in your driving test. Take it bit easy, but with full confidence. You can face two general problems: when you stop in a red light and when you accelerate when the traffic light will get green. You need extra gas to accelerate and little early to brake to stop. don't wait until the end for the brake. There might be a skidding effect and you can be in trouble. Keep control with your vehicle with little extra precaution. Okay, coming to the tip number 6. Keep little bit extra distance with other vehicle. So this is an extra tip. While keeping an extra distance with other vehicles so that you are not in any type of risk while driving. So when you forgot a little bit to for the brake, then you are not going to be in the trouble. So don't go so close to the front vehicle. Keep little bit extra distance while driving these days. Coming to the tip number 7, don't forget to see the blind spot. But before starting your driving test, scrape all the snow through the windows where you can see the blind spot areas. So both side, clean the windows, clean or scrap all the snow if there are any to check the blind spot area. Tip number 8, do not overtake or do not change lane unless it is necessary. Do not overtake means it is not necessary, at least in the city, unless it is not needed. Nobody will ask you to overtake in the city these days. Do not change lane because there are hard snow patch in between the lanes. So be very careful if you do it. Do only when extremely necessary or ask when your examiner is asking overtake. Otherwise, don't do it. Okay, coming to the one of the most important tip, how you behave in a roundabout. So when you go in roundabout these days, let's say you are taking the outer lane, take very extremely careful. You have to be extremely careful while driving in a roundabout with outer lane. So in the morning time, there is a high probability of skidding because of the frozen conditions. Go with a little slower speed. So don't rush here. Don't make high speed because it is a curve and then you are going to exit through the outer lane. So take a little bit easy and do it carefully. Tip number 10. Keep your vehicle in the lane. While snowing these days, there will be clear-cut lane marks in the road because of the many vehicles are going. So keep your vehicle in the lane. If you go out of the lane, you can see this sound like so uh, don't go outside of the lane mark. So that is a good behavior for the to show for the examiner. Okay, coming to the tip number 11. This is one of the really crucial tip. So you have to be careful about the keep and special eye for the pedestrian. And the important thing to remember here is to when you are going to brake, then you should not hit the pedestrian. So keep an extra eye at the pedestrian crossing. There are scooters, bike, and the pedestrians. So your reaction time or your braking time, you have to be careful. You have to brake advance. Tip number 12. So nowadays, because you cannot see any road markings, so just forget or ignore the road markings. Just make a habit that to other erected road signs. Make a habit to see those, not to focus on the road lanes. Even if you see some places, you can see some places, some of the in the road, the marking are still poorly visible, but just ignore that. Make a practice to see the all the other hoardings or other road marking, erected road marking, so that it will be easy for you to drive. Tip number 13, and this is for the rear camera. So before you start your driving test, clean the camera manually with a tissue paper or something. You ask, if you cannot locate the camera, you can ask your examiner, can I clean that camera? Because it is easy to get snow there. Snow gets accumulated and then you cannot see anything while reversing, and you should take advantage of the reversing or reverse camera. So don't forget to clean the camera before start your driving test. Tip number 14, and this is the one of the my favorite tip. So take your goggles, take your sunglass with you when you go for your driving test. When there is snow and then sunlight, both mix and then road is very reflective. And if it is and it is really difficult to see incoming vehicles, for example, in the country roads. So make sure that you have your sunglasses with you while you go for the driving test. Okay, now this is the last tip for this video, and this is about the speed limit. Many people get confused with the speed limit, at what speed they should drive, whether it is very low or very high. So you don't have to follow exact speed limit. Just assess the situation, observe other vehicles' behaviors, and then decide your speed. You get a feeling on the road. So you know how much slippery, how much snow, how much gas you want to put. It is perfectly fine to go at 30 km/h speed, while recommended speed is maximum speed is 40 km/h. But never ever exceed the maximum speed limit. So during the snow, you have to be really careful of all these tips. I hope these tips are helpful for you. I hope if you are taking the driving test during these days, all the best, and I'll see you soon in another interesting video. Hello.